Hey everyone, so today we're going to do a quick unboxing of my new cycling jersey from Inbike. Now let's get started. Right on! Hey everyone, Zack here back with another video. I do cycling related content from product review, route review and also my cycling journey. So do check out my channel if you're into this kind of stuff. Now recently Inbike has contacted me to ask whether I can do a quick unboxing and review of their new cycling jersey. Now Inbike is actually an apparel company which are located in China. They do cater to various sports such as mountain biking, road biking and even motorcycling. So if you guys are interested to check them out, I'll leave a website link down below as well as their social medias. So Inbike has also been so kind enough to provide me a promo code which is ZACK15 right down here. And if you guys use this promo code, you'll get an additional 15% off for all the products in their website. So a huge thanks to Inbike for contacting me and giving me the chance to try their cycling apparels. With that, we're going to do a quick unboxing and let me give you my thoughts on their cycling apparels. A quick disclaimer, I'm not a professional cyclist, I'm just a cycling enthusiast. So the comment and also the things that I'm about to say about this new jersey that I got is just based on my personal opinion. Do leave down your comments or questions if any, and I will try to answer to all of them. So with that out of the way, let's do a quick unboxing of this cycling apparel. I got my trusty scissors over here. It will be my first time opening this packaging. I forgot what I choose already again. So yeah, let's get started. If I'm not mistaken, they provide me one cycling jersey, one bib short and also one glove. Okay, let's start with the first one. Ooh, glove. Okay, so the glove that I have here is orange color, Inbike logo. That's nice. So there's Inbike logo over here. Inbike, as you can see over here. Actually, I prefer to have a cycling glove which is velcro like this. And I noticed that they have a good padding. Yep, decent amount of padding over here. But I think that the wrist is slightly bigger or thicker. Some protection over here in case of falling, I guess. Fit snugly onto my hand. Yep. Alright, so nothing on it, just a simple cut. Inbike, empty cut, and made in China. Yeah, so this one glove, overall I think is quite interesting. I do like this orange color, remind me of someone. Next is the bibs. Oh, folded quite compactly inside. This is the bib short. The one I got here is black in color, made out of 82% polyamide and 18% spandex. Made in China, size S. Okay, this is the bib short. This does not come with the, how to say, the shoulder strap, but I think it works good enough if this section over here, the stretch here, can provide the support tightly enough. But one thing I immediately noticed is, check out this texture over here. It's like glowing rainbow reflector over here. At different angle it will reflect different color. I kind of really like this type of design, I would say. Nice grip inside so that it won't slip around your leg. So yeah. But honestly speaking, this chemise is quite big and large. But I do think it's okay for me, because some manufacturers, they love to just have one chemise to fit all, but I think this is still okay. Well, for the thickness wise, I think it's soft enough to provide the support. Yeah, only time will tell. Yeah, I do see that the quality or the material that they provide here is actually quite decent. It's actually decent, not quite, just it's decent. I can feel the texture is the grip. There's few grips over here, and as I said, the size I have is S size, and They have even a tagline over here: believe in yourself. Yes. Yeah, would like to try this on later. Now let's go to the main one. There will be their jersey. So this will be the last packaging right here. Wow, nice. So the one I have here is actually a short sleeve cycling jersey, size S also, 100% polyester, made in China, Inbike. Come with this decent packaging over here. Now let's see. It's Inbike, and yes, interesting color, but oh dear. Oh. I don't think this size fit me. How? I think it's too big for me. But I do like the design, the stripe, the tube stripe over here. Decent pocket size. Pocket is okay. And they even have this Inbike logo behind. Inbike, and two reflective panel over here, which is good. Maybe let's check on the zip first. Okay, the zip is okay. Okay, underneath the zip, there's a grip pad. Below at the bottom of the shirt jersey, there's a grip pad, and it says here Inbike. Nice little detail onto the jersey. So the one that I got right now is for Asian size is M, and for US or European size is S. Hold on, let me do a quick try. Alright everyone, so yeah, right now I'm outside trying this bib. Actually, too bad the jersey, the size does not fit me, because actually I gave S size, but apparently theirs is actually S for US size. But anyway, it's okay as long as the bib fits. So yeah, look around. So here's the bib, Inbike. I kind of like the design over here. It's some slightly like a reflective material, but it's quite comfortable lah. The chemise is okay, comfortable. I didn't feel any irritation on that. So yeah, highly recommend it for this one. If you can find design like this, definitely very nice. Okay, I think that's about it for today's video. The bibs is quite nice. Oh yeah, I didn't try the glove today, but actually I forgot already, and I bring this glove. But I did try it a bit. Let me put a video right now. Overall, the glove is quite comfortable, enough padding, and I kind of like the thick padding materials around the hands. But just in case if any crash, then there is no injuries hopefully. But of course, hopefully I don't fall down. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed today's video about the bibs. So do check out my promo link if you want to get yourself one, and I'll leave their social media links down below. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed today's video. Do give me a like if you like this type of video, share this with your friends, subscribe and ring the notification bell so you won't miss my future content. See you next time everyone, eat, sleep, cycle, ride on. Bye.